Hi, my name is Tihana. I'm a coach, supervisor and author. In the last decade, I've been working with people who work with people, and here are my 20 GCGs or Golden Coaching Guidelines. So one of them is find a place where the coachee leaks. Yes, you heard correctly. So there is a leak somewhere. Somewhere there is something wrong and we need to find that place because the water is getting in, the moisture is spreading, and if all precautions are not taken and the hole is not plugged, or maybe even the whole roof replaced, the house will be full of mold in no time. And if you are not a fan of construction metaphors and you don't like to see a glass half empty, well, I can offer you metaphors from the world of poetry and Japanese art that frame actually the same theme and that you can see the glass half full. So Leonard Cohen sings, "There is a crack in everything. This is how the light gets in." For the poetry lovers, I think it's enough to sink in. And about going to Japan, so Kintsugi is the Japanese art of fixing broken ceramics using lacquer mixed with gold powder. So unlike European practices that seek to hide this part of an object's history, this Japanese process transforms it into a creative act by which an object can once again fulfill its function before being damaged. So whatever angle you want to take in this situation, one thing is certain. The crack must be detected, and there is a crack in everything. Thank you, Leonard, and good luck.